Hi, Aiden here. I live in the Beaches, Leslieville border. We recently decided to have our kitchen renovated in our old century semi-detached home. Senso Design was a pleasure to work with, came highly recommended, and we found lots of great reviews, and the team was incredibly helpful, informative, professional. We were concerned at one point in time about, as you are with all old homes, undertaking renovations, but Senso made it seamless. Super happy that we chose them. The end product was all that we wanted and more, and would highly recommend.